Have you ever looked at a foldable phone and thought, that screen crease just ruins it? You're not the only one. That visible line where the screen folds has been a deal breaker for many people, even if they love the idea of a foldable phone. Samsung has tried over the years to improve it, but the Galaxy Z Fold 7 still has a visible crease, and for some users, it's hard to ignore. But now, there's finally some hope on the horizon. A trusted analyst, Ming-Chi Kuo, has revealed that Samsung is working on a new display solution that could change everything for the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8. Instead of using a traditional plastic film or a regular support plate, Samsung might switch to a brand new type of display backplate, one made of metal and designed with precision laser drilling technology. What does that mean for you and me? Simply put, this new method could make the foldable screen bend more naturally and reduce the visibility of the crease. Imagine opening your phone and seeing a near-flawless screen, just like on a regular phone, only it folds. That's the dream Samsung is chasing right now, and guess what? Samsung isn't the only one interested in this new display tech. Apple is also reportedly looking into it. They might use the exact same laser-drilled metal backplate in their first foldable iPhone, which could arrive in 2026. The supplier behind all this is FineM, a company preparing to mass-produce this advanced component. So if both Samsung and Apple are getting serious about this part, it's probably a big deal. Of course, new technology usually comes with a higher price tag. This new panel will likely cost more than the current solution, which means the Galaxy Z Fold 8 could get a price bump. But for people who've been waiting years for Samsung to fix the crease, that extra cost might finally feel worth it. It could be the one upgrade that makes foldables truly appealing to the average user, not just tech fans. Along with this crease fix, Samsung is also rumored to be exploring even more exciting designs, like phones that fold in 3 parts instead of 2. These trifold phones would open up like a pamphlet, turning into something close to a tablet, and folding back into something pocket-sized. That's still in the testing phase, but it shows how committed Samsung is to leading in the foldable space. For now, though, the focus is on the Fold 8 and whether it can deliver the smooth, crease-free experience users have been asking for. The truth is, a lot of people have been on the fence about foldables. They love the concept, but the design still feels a bit unpolished. If Samsung can really eliminate the crease and make the screen feel like a normal phone screen, it might finally change minds and attract a wider audience. And when Apple joins the race with its own foldable iPhone using the same technology, it'll only push the competition forward. So the Galaxy Z Fold 8 isn't just another update, it could be the turning point for the whole foldable phone category. What do you think? Would you finally consider a foldable phone if the crease problem was solved? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest tech news.